Konnichiwa, food enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a culinary adventure to explore the rich and savory world of Japanese cuisine. Our spotlight is on the beloved dish known as sukiyaki. Join us as we uncover unknown facts about sukiyaki and delve into its mouthwatering traditions. Let's get started. Welcome, everyone. Sukiyaki, with its tantalizing flavors and unique cooking style, has become an iconic part of Japanese gastronomy. But did you know that sukiyaki has a fascinating history and cultural significance? Let's dive in. Our first unknown fact takes us back to the 19th century. Sukiyaki has its roots in the Edo period of Japan when it was originally called gyunuk. It was traditionally prepared by Buddhist monks using thinly sliced beef, tofu, and vegetables, simmered in a pot. Over time, it evolved into the sukiyaki we know and love today. One of the most fascinating aspects of sukiyaki is the interactive cooking experience it offers. In Japan, it is common for sukiyaki to be prepared right at the table. The thinly sliced beef, along with an assortment of vegetables, tofu, and other ingredients, are simmered in a sweet and savory sauce. This communal cooking style brings friends and family closer together. Sukiyaki is incomplete without the perfect dipping sauce. The most common dipping sauce for sukiyaki is raw, beaten eggs. The cooked beef and vegetables are dipped into the beaten eggs, enhancing the flavors and adding a silky texture. It's a unique and delightful combination that elevates the dining experience. While sukiyaki is enjoyed throughout Japan, there are regional variations that add their own unique flavors. In the Kanto region, the sauce is typically soy sauce based, while in the Kansai region, a sweeter sauce with mirin and sugar is preferred. The variations in ingredients and seasonings offer a diverse range of tastes to savor. Fact number 5, Sukiyaki and celebrations. Sukiyaki has also become synonymous with celebrations and special occasions in Japan. It is often enjoyed during festivals, family gatherings, and even as a part of New Year's festivities. The act of sharing sukiyaki symbolizes unity and togetherness, making it a cherished tradition. And there you have it, fellow foodies. We've unraveled the secrets and explored the flavorful traditions of Japanese sukiyaki. From its historical roots to the art of tableside cooking, sukiyaki brings people closer through its delicious charms. So, next time you're looking for a memorable dining experience, give sukiyaki a try. Arigato gozaimasu for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures.